Tuesday and I'm back out on the Willoway dock. The guys are working on the dock here, but you know, we got some great plants. Let's take a walk through the dock. Another grouping of those 25-gallon green giants. And you can see here a pot of trees are starting to come up to the dock here. Another busy day on the Willoway docks. We have a grouping. These are the new gen boxwood. This is a new gen independent. 2-gallon gadies. Don't forget, those get year-round color. Really nice crop of these Ruse Barolo. A lot of these are going out for landscape. 2-gallon drifts are looking great. Still have a lot of bud and bloom. Here we have some knockouts and a lot of these gorgeous hibiscus. We have our endless summer hydrangeas, and of course they're not budded quite yet, but they're big, beautiful plants coming out of that trim. They look fantastic. There's several varieties of Stoby. They're coming out of the trim as well. You know, very limited as far as bloom right now, but these are big, beautiful plants. Here we have some of our 1-gallon Pachysandra. Those are gorgeous. Next up, we have Hackmaloa All Gold, and here we have some silvery sunproof variety. A lot of great looking ferns coming out of the greenhouse there. We have some ostrich and brilliant autumn. Great looking grasses coming up here. You can see they're starting to show up those beautiful blooms. Look at all that fantastic color here. We have the Lodullas and Burning Bush and Barberry. We have gorgeous Spirea again. A lot of fall color. We have some 3-gallon green beauties and 3-gallon Dunsa labor. We have a nice order. These are Ilex Galabra Strongbox. Mr. Bully Ball. These are fantastic. 5-gallon green velvets, and then coming over here we have some 3-gallon cranberry creek. A lot of great color on these 3-gallon fire chiefs. Boxwood here, we have our 3-gallon green velvets. Those are nice sized. A little bit of bud and bloom coming up on the lilacs here. These are Syringa Bloomerang Dark Purple. Nice color on these gray elk junipers. Over here, look at the size of these 3-gallon blue lights. Looking at some green in those hands. Salvia coming. Give you a closer look. There's green in his hand. We have some salvia. Here we're looking at Kavaskia, sedum. Those are pure joys, I believe. Again, lots of beautiful coreopsis. And then we have some dianthus. More of the nice arborvitae coming in here. We have 15-gallon green giants. Coming down there, we have 7-gallon green giants and 7-gallon emerald arborvitae. They peek in here. These are really nice size 7-gallon S spruce. Always popular on the dock. Here we have some 3-gallon New Gen Freedom. One of these off the pallet here. They're getting ready to cook them up, put them on the truck, but these are our 2-gallon Crimson Cutie Barberry. Look at that big heavy plant. These beauties. Here we have some 7-gallon Mr. Bully. Quick walk through the dock. You know, the guys are busy getting things pushed up here, getting ready to load trucks this morning. Be sure to get with the sales team. These are open loading the truck for you.